Hey there, welcome to Patio Productions. And today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning outdoor kitchen without breaking the bank. Ready to turn your backyard into the ultimate entertaining space? Let's dig in. First, you have to make a plan. So take a good look at your available space. Take stock of what outdoor furniture and appliances you already have, and then make a target budget. Whether you've got a sprawling yard or a cozy patio, there's always room for an outdoor kitchen. The key is working with what you've got. Now, we start making some design decisions, choosing materials. You don't need expensive granite countertops to create something beautiful. Consider durable alternatives like concrete countertops, weather-resistant tile, or even repurposed wood sealed for outdoor use. For storage, think outside the box. Ready-to-assemble units work great, but don't overlook outdoor furniture pieces that can do double duty. A stylish bar cart, for example, can serve as both mobile storage and a prep station. The heart of any outdoor kitchen is your cooking space, most often a grill. Focus your budget here. You want something reliable that'll last for years. And remember, even a simple charcoal grill can create amazing meals. Pro tip, add some personality with budget-friendly touches like colorful outdoor cushions or some string lights for ambiance. Whether you're grilling up burgers for the family or hosting a neighborhood barbecue, your outdoor kitchen should be both functional and fabulous without emptying your wallet. Want to learn more? Check out our comprehensive budget outdoor kitchen ideas blog in the description below for even more budget-friendly patio kitchen tips and ideas. Or if you're ready to start creating your dream outdoor space, visit patioproductions.com for all your outdoor living needs. We've got everything from furniture to accessories to help make your vision a reality. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in your new outdoor kitchen soon.